All right, so what we're going to look at are circumference and area problems, but we're going to leave our answer kind of fancy-nancy. Instead of working it all the way out and using 3.14 for pi, we're just going to leave pi in our answer. And you do this a lot in high school geometry, and we don't see it very much in middle school, but occasionally they'll throw it in there. So I just wanted you to know when it asks what to look for. So in all of these problems that we're doing, we're going to leave our answer in terms of pi. Okay, so let's say we have a circle with a diameter of 15 inches. If I find the circumference of this circle, I'm going to write C equals pi d. Pi, we would normally put 3.14, but because they want us to leave pi in our answer, we're going to put pi. And then we're going to put the diameter is 15. Now, we're going to treat pi like a normal variable. So I'm going to go out here to the side. When you were first learning about that's ugly. When you were first learning about algebra, you learned that the number always comes in front of the variable. We're going to treat pi like a variable. So we're going to write our answer. The circumference of our circle is 15 pi inches. So instead of multiplying 15 times 3.14, we just leave it like that. And that's what it means to leave your answer in terms of pi. Let's look at another one. All right, we've got a circle with a radius of 6. So we're going to do C equals pi d. The diameter is going to be 12 because we're going to put 6 more on that side. So we're going to do C equals pi times 12. And to write our final answer really pretty, we put the 12 in front, we put the pi there, and let's say this is millimeters. So the circumference of our circle is 12 times pi, or 12 pi. And that's it. You just write your answer and leave pi in the spot instead of 3.14. All right, so now we're going to do the same thing, except we're going to do it with the area formula. So A equals pi r squared. Our radius is 3. So we're going to plug it in there. Now on this one, we can do a little bit more. We can multiply 3 times 3. So when we go to write our answer, 3 times 3 is 9. And we're just going to leave pi in the problem. And so our answer is 9 pi square centimeters. 9 pi. All right, one more. We've got a circle with a diameter of 10 feet, and we're going to find the area. So we're going to go A equals pi r squared. Well, if the diameter is 10, that means we're going to cut it in half to get the radius. So we're going to go A equals pi, the radius is 5, squared. Go ahead and multiply 5 times 5, put it in the front, put pi instead of 3.14, and then our answer is going to be square feet. And I'm going to write square feet this time like that instead of using the SQ. You can do it either way. You can use the SQ for square like I did there, or you can use the little exponent. Both of those let us know that we're working with squares and not regular measurements. So anytime the problem asks you to leave your answer in terms of pi, that's what you're going to do.